You might have seen some YouTube channels that talk about finance and economics without showing their face. They use animations, voiceovers, and stock footages to explain complex topics in an easy way. And guess what? They are making over $10,000 per month with this method. How do they do it? And more importantly, how can you do it too? In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 3 faceless YouTube channels that are making a fortune with finance and economics videos. And I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools to create amazing content for your YouTube channel. You will learn how to create catchy titles that get more views and clicks, how to make professional videos without any editing experience, how to design stunning thumbnails that stand out from the crowd, and how to boost your income by promoting relevant products and services in your videos with affiliate marketing. Trust me guys, this is a life-changing opportunity for you. If you follow these methods, you will make a lot of money in no time. But before we dive into the details, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Alright, the first faceless channel we are looking at is Economics Explained. It has over 2 million subscribers and it covers popular economic subjects like inflation, debt, trade, and GDP. Their secret sauce is using simple animations and clear narration to break down complex economic ideas and issues. This makes the content super engaging and easy to follow. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Economics Explained is absolutely crushing it when it comes to income. Every single month, it gets over 8 million views. That's around 300,000 views per day. According to Social Blade stats, its estimated earnings range from $2,000 to $32,000 per month. However, economics-related content typically generates very high RPM, earnings of $5 to even $10 per thousand views. So with 8 million monthly views, this channel likely earns $40,000 to $80,000 per month from AdSense alone. Impressive, right? But it gets even better. The channel also makes a killing with affiliate marketing. Even a conservative estimate is over $100,000 per month from affiliate income based on its view count. I'll reveal the type of products you can promote in this niche too by the end of the video. Moving on, we have the successful faceless channel called Moon. This channel focuses on social and cultural commentary with a particular emphasis on the negative aspects of society. This faceless channel stands out for its unique, negative perspective on modern society and government control, which is illustrated using examples from media and history. Moon's videos use stock footage and animations, and their artistic editing style and attention-grabbing titles pull viewers into thoughtful discussions about society. Amazingly, with just a bit over 100 videos uploaded so far, Moon already has over 1 million subscribers and gets over 8 million views every single month, which is over 250,000 views daily. According to Social Blade, this faceless channel estimated earnings from AdSense alone range from $2,000 to $32,000 per month, but they also make money from Patreon, promotions, and donations. In summary, Moon creates unique, high-quality content that intrigues viewers. Their promotion and regular new uploads also help them succeed as a faceless channel. Now, this next channel is a really interesting one. It's called The Infographics Show. This incredibly successful faceless channel makes videos explaining complex and fascinating facts and scenarios using graphics and animations. Their content covers a vast range of topics like finance, economics, business, history, science, technology, health, and more. What makes the Infographics Show unique is their use of voiceovers and animations to deliver the content without ever revealing the faces of the creators involved. But here's the part that really blew my mind. They publish an average of 2 to 3 videos per day. This means that there's always something new for viewers to watch. This consistent output helps them drive over 62 million views per month. That's an average of over 2 million views daily. For a faceless channel, that view count is tremendously impressive. And it pays off big time. Social Blade estimates their monthly AdSense earnings between $15,000 and $249,000. That's some serious money right there, friends. And I honestly tell you, with the right strategy, you can absolutely start a wildly successful channel like the Infographics Show. Stay tuned, and I'll show you step by step how to make these types of videos easily and profitably. Alright, Now we're going to create some amazing YouTube titles that are catchy, short, and SEO optimized. These titles are the secret to getting more views, so let's make titles like the ones on the above channels. To get started, please create a free Google Bard account. This will give you access to the most up-to-date information and the best features for generating YouTube titles. Once you have a Bard account, head over to one of the YouTube channels and select at least 8 of their video titles. Paste these titles into the Bard prompt bar and write the following prompt at the top. Generate 20 creative, SEO-optimized, attention-grabbing YouTube titles that are 60 characters or less, inspired by the following titles. Bard will then generate 20 new titles for you, inspired by the titles you provided. You can then choose the titles that you like best and ask Bard again this prompt. As a professional YouTube video script writer, please provide me with a 4 to 5 section outline in bullet point format for the following video title. Insert your video title here. Make sure the outline flows logically, starting with an introduction or overview, and provides useful current information or analysis related to the video title. Make sure to insert your title and then click Generate. Bard will generate interesting points for your video. As you can see, Bard generated current and updated information for our video. Let's now create a professional YouTube video using Invideo, an AI-powered online video maker based on the video title and outline that we generated from Google Bard with zero effort or editing required. First, head over to my description where I have included a link to the Invideo AI tool. To get started, simply click the link and sign up for a free account. Once signed in, you will see a clear page like this. In the prompt box, paste your title and key sections from Google Bard. Next, include the free prompt from my description by copying and pasting it into the top prompt box. This will give Invideo more information to create a video personalized to your topic. Finally, edit the prompt to include the video title, voiceover gender, music background, and video length. Once you're finished, click the Generate button. After a few moments, the AI will ask for your target audience. Since our video is about economics, select economists. Then choose the professional style and YouTube platform for your video. Click Continue and the AI will generate your video. The video generation will take about 2 up to 4 minutes, depending on the length and complexity of your content. You don't have to wait though. I will fast forward the process and show you the final result in a moment. Trust me, you will be amazed by what the AI can do. Okay, the video has been generated. Let's take a quick look at a small piece of it.
Poland, once a country under communist rule, has seen an extraordinary economic transformation in recent decades. As the Iron Curtain fell and the winds of change swept across Europe, Poland emerged from the shadows of communism, embarking on a journey towards a market-based economy. This transition, though challenging, has proven to be a turning point in the nation's history.
Wow, honestly, the video is very professional looking. The editing is smooth, the visuals are engaging, and the voiceover is clear and informative. If you want to remove the watermark, access all the amazing premium features, and monetize without copyright issues, I highly recommend upgrading to the premium version of this AI. It's worth every penny. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Invideo is a very affordable video maker, but you can get an even lower price with my special offer. I have a promo code that will give you a 30% discount on all Invideo monthly and annual plans. That's a huge saving for you. To claim this offer, you need to check the description below. There, you will find my Invideo link and my promo code. Just click on the link and enter the promo code when you pick a plan. It's that easy. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a super awesome YouTube thumbnail that will make your viewers click on your video. You know, thumbnails are very important for getting views and subscribers, right? So you want to make them as eye-catching and relevant as possible. And for that, we're going to use a cool tool called Bing Image Creator. This is a free tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate realistic images from text prompts. It's based on DALL-E 3, which is one of the best image generation models out there. Trust me, you're going to love this tool. So, first of all, you need to sign up to Bing Image Creator. The link is in my description below. Go ahead and sign up, it's very easy and fast. After signing up, you will see a simple page with a prompt bar like this. This is where you write your image prompt. Basically, you just describe what kind of image you want to create. For example, our video is about Poland's economy. So I wrote a prompt like this. Create an ultra-realistic picture of terrified people with expressions of fear, panic and despair with a white background and Polish buildings in the distance. Sounds cool, right? After writing your prompt, just click Generate and wait for a few seconds and boom, look at this. Bing AI generated this amazing image in seconds. Isn't that incredible? Now, I'm going to download this generated image, and I also created another image with Bing Image Creator. Here are the images that I got. They look awesome, right? Now, we have to edit them together to make our final thumbnail. For that, I'm going to use Photoshop. Guys, Photoshop is a really easy photo editing app. Let me show you how simple it is. Okay, first, open Photoshop and create a new file with the size of 1920 by 1080. This is the YouTube thumbnail size for our video. Hit Create and you will get a clean white canvas. Now, drag and drop the image inside Photoshop and resize it by pressing Ctrl+T and adjust it like this. Alright, now we have to do a little trick to make our image look better. We have to rasterize the layer. That means we have to turn the image into pixels so we can edit it more easily. To do that, just select the layer and right-click on it. Then choose Rasterize Layer. Easy, right? Now, we have to duplicate the layer. Just press Ctrl+J and you will have a copy of it. Now, go to the Windows menu and make sure you have these properties settings on. Then select the first layer and look at the top of the Layer tab. You will see a drop-down button that says Align and Distribute. Click on it and you will see a quick action button that says Remove Background. Click on it and wait for a few seconds. And voila, the background is gone and you have a nice cutout of the image of people. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Okay, hold on, we still have some work to do. We have to add some catchy texts and some illustrations to make our thumbnail stand out. So, first, for our title, click this T icon on the left bar and write a big and bold text like this. I want a text that says Poland that grabs the viewer's attention. Okay, now let's change the color to red and adjust the size by pressing Ctrl+T and dragging it like this. And in the Layer tab, move the text layer between these two layers and make sure the text is behind the cutout layer. That way, it will look like the text is behind the image of people. Okay, now we need to add another short text above the word Poland. I wrote this catchy text, Shocking Economic Miracle. Let's put it on top of the Poland text. So, like before, select T and write the text above Poland and adjust it like this. And make sure the color of the text is white. And after writing it, select the rectangle tool and change the color to black like this. And create a rectangle with the same size as the text. And move this rectangle layer under the text layer. That way, it will look like the text has a black background. Guys, here's a tip. Always make your thumbnails tell the viewers what your video is about and use short texts. Don't make it boring. Okay, now let's make the final touch like color correction and a noise effect. So, first, select the cutout layer and look at the top of the Layer tab. You will see a button that says Adjustment. Click on it and then click on Brightness and Contrast. You will get a new layer above the cutout layer. And click this little icon to make sure you only edit the cutout layer. And adjust it like this to get a good color correction. Okay, now let's add a noise effect. This will make our thumbnail look more professional. So, to do that, first create a new layer by clicking this plus icon. And make sure the layer is on top of all the other layers. And go to the left bar and right-click on these three dots. And choose the Paint Bucket tool. Then select this color tab and choose a dark black color. And on the new layer, fill it with black by clicking on it. and it will automatically turn black. And above the layers, click this normal and select screen. This will make it transparent. Then on the same layer, go to the top and click filter, then click noise, then click add noise, and add noise like this. And as you can see, the picture looks more textured and it gives it a cool effect. Alright, now I just added some effects and this is what our thumbnail looks like. And guys, I promise you this type of thumbnail creates curiosity for the viewers. And anyone who wants this thumbnail, write a comment by telling me why you need it. And I will send both the video and the thumbnail to the lucky one. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make more money by promoting someone else's product on your video. This is called affiliate marketing, which is a way of earning commissions by recommending products or services to your audience. There are tons of websites where you can find products to promote, but for finance and economics channels, I suggest OfferVault. OfferVault is a website that shows you thousands of offers and networks that you can join and make money from. You can find offers that match your niche on finance and economics. For example, for this video, let's find a product that we can promote. So let's choose financial as our category because our video is about finance. So we can promote financial products. You can see a lot of products that you can promote in this category. So what do we do now? Just click payout and you'll see the highest paying programs. For example, if our video is about Forex, these programs will pay you $1,000 CPA, which means you get that amount when someone buys the product through your link. But we need to find a product that fits our video or channel. So you can promote a product like this one. This product is a quick business loan service that helps small businesses in the US, Canada, and Puerto Rico get loans up to $50,000. It's from Envious Media, which is a network that gives you high-quality traffic and high payouts. The offer pays $164 per lead, which means you get that amount for every referral that applies and gets the loan. The offer is good for affiliates who have an audience that likes finance, business, or entrepreneurship. This product can help small businesses grow and deal with financial problems, especially in these hard times. It's a great product to promote because it helps your audience and solves a problem for them. And we can promote this product on our videos. So, to get your link, click Run and it will take you to their sign-up page. Just fill out the forms and sign up. Then you'll get a link that you can put on your video description. But you can't just copy and paste the link on your description. You need to write a call to action that makes your viewers want to click on it. For example, for our product, we can write a call to action like this. Need a quick business loan? Apply online and get funded in 24 hours with Financial Quick Business Loan. Click the link below and find the best offer for you. See how simple and effective it is. You can use this template or create your own. Just make sure you highlight the benefits and urgency of your offer. And don't forget to include the link under the call to action. That's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. This is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you got a lot of value from this video. If you're ready to start your Faceless channel, comment "Ready" and share your excitement. I'm here to support you with any questions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. See you in the next one.